It's nice to meet you. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for taking the time to meet with me.
What can I do for you today?
I'm shopping for a attorney and you came highly recommended.
I'm glad to hear that. Who recommended me?
My cousin. You did her closing a few years ago. She said you were the best.
Thank you, I try.
She told me that you always returned her calls and you responded to her emails. She said you kept her informed at every point along the way and you were always pleasant and you seemed to really know what you were doing. She told me that you sat with her for an hour on the day the contract was signed and explained everything to her to make sure she understood what everything meant. She told me that occasionally you would check in with her even before she had to call you to ask the status of things. She said that there were issues that needed to be resolved and it almost had to go to court, but that you were able to de-escalate matters and got it to close even though the other attorneys seemed more willing to fight than work things out. She said that she always was able to reach you on the phone and that you were friendly and that you did not hide behind your secretary like some other attorneys I've called and tried to meet before my cousin told me about you. She told me that at the closing she could tell you were really on her side and not just pushing papers around. She said that you even challenged some fees at the closing and ended up saving her a little money. She told me that after the closing you sent her copies of all the documents with explanations of what everything was and what was important. She told me you were worth your weight in gold and that I would be crazy to hire any attorney other than you.
Wow, I'm flattered.
How much is your fee?
$1,500.
Why so much?